Hello, writers! It's me, Mrs. Chimera. I'm so excited to be back with you today. We have been learning that writers use pictures to help tell their story. We have added true colors to our pictures, and we're using shapes to help make things in our pictures. Today, we are going to add close-up details. Wait a second, what does that mean? Let me get my special glasses for you. Oh my goodness, I can see everything up close. Wow, I can see that you have eyelashes and you have a missing tooth. Oh my goodness. When you add close-up details to your pictures, what you're doing is adding things that you can't see from far away. So, if I'm drawing a person, maybe I would add the person's ears because from far away, I can't see the ears. But if I look up close, guess what? The ears are there. So your job today is to add some close-up details to your picture. Okay, let me take my special glasses off. You're also going to add a setting to your picture. Setting? What does that mean? The setting is where you're at, the place. So I want you to make sure you're not floating in white space in your picture. You need a background. Look at my writing today and see if my picture has close-up details and a setting. And don't forget those true colors and some shapes to help us. Okay, writers, today in our picture, we are going to add close-up details and a setting. I'm going to reread my writing. This is something I wrote a few days ago. Apple picking. We like to go apple picking. We walk to find the apples. We pick them from the tree. We like to eat them. I love apple picking. So my writing, I talked about apple picking. So I'm going to draw the trunk and I'm going to draw the tree. Now, I'm going to draw a close-up detail. A close-up detail is something that the reader would have to look really closely in order to see. So I know that in a tree, there are branches. So I'm going to draw that. I also know that a tree trunk has like little lines on it that when you see it outside, you have to go up really close to see the little lines. So I'm going to draw those. Oh, another close-up detail. When you're apple picking, you have to go really close to the tree to see the apple. Because sometimes they're hiding in the trees. All right. Ooh, another close-up detail. I added a stem and a leaf to my apples. That's something the reader would have to look really closely to see. Now I'm going to draw me some close-up details on my face, my ears, my eyebrows, let's see, my eyeball. I even have eyelashes. I'm going to draw my nose, my smile, and if you were seeing me in person, I actually have some freckles on my face that you would have to look really closely to see. Here's my hair, my neck, and now I'm going to draw my shirt. And my pants. A close-up detail on my pants. My pants usually have a button. Close-up details on my hands, my fingers. Oh, and on one of my hands, I have my wedding ring. So I'm going to put that on one of my fingers. Let's see. Oh, I said I was picking apples. So in my hand, I'm going to put an apple. Okay, let's see. Are there any other close-up details? Oh, maybe I could draw a heart on my shirt because I love apples. All right, now I need a setting. That means where am I at? Right now it looks like I'm in white space, and I know that's not where I'm at. So I'm going to draw the ground. I'm going to add the sun because I'm outside. I could add maybe a couple clouds so you know that I'm outside. So now it looks like I'm at the apple orchard. All right, I have to use true colors in my pictures. I'm going to make sure I use red for my apples, green for the leaves, brown for the trunk. I'll show you my picture after I finish coloring. Oh my goodness! Writers, it's your turn. You're going to practice adding close-up details and a setting to your picture. Now remember, I told you I was going to show you my picture after I finish coloring it. Are you ready? Here it is. Oh my goodness. I'm going to show you my picture up close so you can see the close-up details. Do you see my eyelashes? Do you see the stem on the apples? Those are close-up details. You have to look closely in order to see them. All right, today you're going to write, and then you get to draw your picture. Make sure your picture has true colors. You use shapes to help you draw, but make sure you add those close-up details that you can't see from far away. And a setting. The setting is the background. Where are you at? If you can't think of what to write about today, how about you choose your favorite thing to do after school? I can't wait to read your writing. Goodbye, friends.